How to fix green line on phone screen. So if you've been experiencing any green line on your screen, I'm going to show you a few ways on how you can fix this. The first step is to restart your device. So for that, press and hold the power button and you're going to find the restart button here. So tap on that button and then restart your phone. So a simple restart can fix the glitches that you're experiencing on your phone. So definitely try this method first. If even after restarting your phone, it doesn't fixes your issue, then head over to settings. And over here, you want to scroll down and tap on software update. So now the next step is to update your software, because if your software has not been updated for a long amount of time, then you might be facing these issues. So go ahead and tap on download and install, and if there is any software available, it will be downloaded and installed. So that should fix this issue. If even after updating your software, this issue is not fixed, then you want to reset your device. For that, tap on this search icon and here search for reset. Now you want to tap on factory data reset. So here you simply want to tap on the factory data reset option. What this will do is it's going to reset your phone to its factory default settings. Now remember that this is going to erase all data including files and downloaded apps. So go ahead and tap on that button and then reset your phone and it should get fixed. If even after restarting, updating your software and resetting your phone does not work, then you might want to head over to the Mobile Center to check out if there is any issue with your hardware. So these are some things you can do to fix screen line on phone. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.